Hey everybody, it's Becca here. I wanted to catch up with you really quick. It's been rather busy preparing for possible hurricane today, but I also had a lot of garden preparing today. As you can see, everything's been picked up. There's nothing underneath the house now. Which was kind of a busy day, but I was able to plant some beans in that bed right there. Around my greenhouse, I was able to plant some squash, and behind the house, I was able to plant some corn. And then I just put out some carrot seeds underneath my okra. I'm gonna ask today and taking names. Got this bed done. It's corn. I have the pipes all together and held down. Have all my buckets and tools in my greenhouse and in my shed. I'm going to go ahead and burn my compost pile. But I have this bed right here, which is beans, a little bit of radish, and then bell peppers. Hey Yoda. I have my grapevine is now hanging on the fence, ready to rock and roll. Oh, yeah. I planted some elderberry, and then squash, zucchini, all in this bed. I have cucumbers against the wall. What else? Like I said, I've been kicking butt today. And then we stopped to start cleaning up for preparing for a hurricane. Another interesting event today is the neighbor found a snake up by my coop. He didn't get in and he got killed, but today is about blessings. Of all of the stuff that could happen and does happen in life, blessings are it. That's what makes life worthwhile. One of the things that is a blessing, let's head over this direction. As you can see, that trailer, the neighbor just brought over some pickets. He brought over a stack of pickets, like a picket fence. And what is interesting about that is since I built the house, one of my plans have been from the edge of the stairs coming this way, my way, of having a white picket fence. And this makes it possible. You know, I am so blessed, and that is an important thing in life, is to understand your blessings. Even though I've been working my butt off with the chickens in the chicken coop, the garden, the house, the house has been almost a 4-year adventure, I'll say, but the house is a blessing as well. But accepting, acknowledging, recognizing blessings, and you get more of it. Like the neighbor bringing over the fence while I was on a date with my husband. Because of our no spending, we have actually spent less than we have actually planned. So we decided to go on a little date for us to kind of pre-celebrate our adventure with the no spending this month. But I wanted to jump on really quick. I know this isn't a very long video, but I did want to jump on really quick today to talk about you acknowledging your blessings. I will talk to you again soon, and everybody stay safe and be well during these uncertain times of these hurricanes that are in the Gulf. But I will talk to you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye. Love you guys.